make a sign. A sign to show thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello, I'm Joe. This is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Ozzy! Where did he go? He was here a minute ago. There you are.
Your battery must be running very low. I'll have to get my charger. Actually, I'm quite tired too. I'll have a sleep standing up.
Joe!
Hello, Aisling.
Were you asleep, Joe?
No, how could I be asleep? I was standing up.
If you were sleeping, standing up, you must be tired.
Well, I'm not, and we are ready for our deliveries.
That's good, Joe. So remember, wherever you go, there will be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe. My name is Jenny.
Hello, my name is Rebecca.
Rebecca and Jenny are waiting for you at the theatre. They need their deliveries for their musical, The Chicken King.
Great.
You need to deliver a crown, a chicken suit, and a music player to the theatre.
Come on, Ozzy. Let's go. I'm tired. Time for a rest. Oh, look at the ducks.
Joe, you're late. The people at the theatre are waiting for their deliveries.
We're late? No, we're very busy here. Okay, we'll be there soon. Come on, Ozzy, we're late.
Well, here we are at the theatre. Where is everybody? Ah, there you are. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy.
Hello, I'm Jenny.
Hello, I'm Rebecca.
I have some deliveries for you.
We're doing a show called The
Chicken King.
The Chicken King? I love musicals.
Great.
Come on. This is the theater.
That's the stage. That is the audience.
Where the People Sit.
Let's follow Ozzy backstage.
Hello, Idea.
Hello, Ozzy.
Ah, there you are, Ozzy. I remembered. I've a delivery for you. Wait here. Here, a crown.
That is too small.
You look a bit silly.
Let's love sign. Silly. Silly. You sign. Silly. Good. Silly.
I like being silly. Oh, don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Look at all these amazing costumes.
Like this.
I've another delivery for you. Wait here.
Is this okay? Can I be the Chicken King?
Yes!
You can be the Chicken King.
Yes! That makes me happy!
Let's love sign. Happy. Happy. You sign. Happy. Good. Happy.
Are we ready?
No! We need music!
I'm sorry. I'm sad. Wait here.
Let's love sign. Sad. Sad. You sign. sad? Good. Sad.
Ha ha!
Guys, good job.
Well, we've had a great day. Thank you for all your help. I love being the Chicken King. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Chicken King. Bye.
Hands up. Hands up. Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy do our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to
sign.
say hands up. Dizzy, Dizzy, Dizzy. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hands up. Hello, hello, Ozzy do deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Today, I'm practicing my magic. I love magic, but I have to practice because magic is hard. You want me to show you my magic? When I say Dizzy Dazzy Day, I'm gonna make this tower of cards change to one card by magic. Are you ready? Are you ready? Dizzy Dazzy Day. Okay. I need your help. You say Dizzy Dazzy Day. Are you ready? Dizzy Dazzy Day. Magic.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Are you practicing your magic again?
Yes.
I have a delivery for you. Today, Joe, you will be delivering flour, butter and eggs to the bakery. Julie and her sister Ella will help you with your deliveries. They are waiting for you with Donal, the baker.
Good.
is Joe. I am waiting for Dizzy Deliveries. Hello, what's your name? Hiya, Ozzy. Do you know where Joe is? Uh-oh. Joe, hi! Hello! Hi! Joe, come back! Come back, it's this... hello, Joe?
Ah, hello, Donald.
Okay, so, Joe, it's just through here. Come on.
Look at it.
Joe? Joe! What's going on? Come on!
The smell of baking. I'm a really good baker. There you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm Ella. Julie says hello.
Hello, Julie. Donald, when can we start baking?
Well, we first have to wash our hands.
I knew that. We have to wash our hands.
Let's love sign. Wash. Wash. You sign. Wash. Good. Wash.
Hands up.
What is he like?
Now can we start baking?
No, Joe, I don't have any flour.
Yes, my first delivery. Wait here. Flowers.
Joe, that is not the flour I need. I need this kind of flour. And I need more of this kind of flour. Come on!
Flour.
Thank you, Joe. I guess this'll do. Okay, Julie, now we're ready to make some scones.
Let's love sign. Make. Make. You sign. Make. Good. Make.
We're gonna find some butter. Joe? We need butter.
My second delivery. Wait here.
Where has he gone now? Thank you, Joe, but not a cow. We need butter. Cows make milk.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. So we have to put it into little pieces, and then you're gonna try some. All in. Mix and mix. Isn't it good? Joe, we need some eggs.
Wait here.
Takes a bit of time, but then you get really tasty scones. What are you doing? We've got eggs everywhere. Look at all these eggs.
There you are, Ozzy. I'm making scones. They're great.
It's time to eat.
Let's love sign. Eat. Eat. You sign. Eat. Good. Eat.
We have our scone dough all ready to go. So our next job, and Joe, you need to listen carefully too, okay?
Yes.
The next job is to roll out the scone dough, and then we're gonna use a cutter to cut out our different little scones. Good idea. Joe, do you think you can help us?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Julie, what do you think? You will do it together? Okay, let's give it a go. Here we go. Okay, give it a big roll.
I'd give it a like that as well.
Just
Yeah,
the same, okay.
I would do the same.
Right, thanks, Joe. Thanks very much. I don't know, does he think he knows what he's doing? Okay, and
Don't
Yeah?
cut that now.
just this bit, Joe.
Yeah.
Thanks, okay, thanks, Joe. Joe, okay, right, I'll give that a good little dig, and there we go. And now, once we have our scones, we need a tray, Joe. Do you have a tray for me?
Yes, Donald, I have a tray for you.
Ah, perfect. Okay, we'll pop these on.
I made a lovely scone.
Yeah, Joe, don't eat it. Not yet, not yet. We have to cook it first.
All right.
Okay. Now, before they go in the oven, I want you to make sure to brush them with a little bit of milk and an egg. Now, I have a big brush. Julie, look at this. Do you see the brush? This is a brush, and we're going to use this to brush our scones. So will you help us? Let's help it. What do you think, Julie? These are now ready to go into the oven for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? But I'm hungry now.
Well, Joe, you're just going to have to wait.
Oh, fine.
Sorry. He's going to have a bit of patience. But Julie, where's Joe? Where is he? Ah, there he is. Joe, hi.
Well, I've had a great day. Thank you for all your help.
Bye, Joe. You say bye. Bye-bye, Joe. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Hands up. Hello, hello. Here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello. Ozzy too. Our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A
You
sign
sign.
to say. Dizzy, Dizzy, Hello, hello. Here is Joe. Hello, hello. Ozzy too. Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Ah, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town
and country, making friends with every delivery. Ah, yes! Balloons for Mammy's party.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Hello, Ozzy. I have some deliveries for you.
Good.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering milk, a bowl and spoons to the ice cream parlor.
I love ice cream.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hi, Joe. I'm Ava.
Ava and Neil are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Oh, I'd better finish.
Hands up. Hands up.
Oh. No?
Ah, hello, Ava. I'm Joe.
Hi.
And who are you?
I'm Neil,
Hi, Neil.
the ice cream maker.
I love ice cream.
I have lots of ice cream.
Let's love sign. Ice cream. Ice cream. You sign. Ice cream. Good. Ice cream.
Ava, look at all the ice cream. There's blue. There's yellow. Ava, what color do you like? Purple. How do you make ice cream?
I make it with milk.
Milk? I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Oh.
Will you help me make ice cream?
Yes!
I'm really good at making ice cream.
We need eggs.
Eggs.
We need a bowl.
A bowl? My second delivery. Right here. Ooh. A bowl.
Apron. Gloves.
Gloves. Oh. How do we make ice cream?
Milk.
Milk? Oh. Ah. Oh. 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 Ah. Ice cream.
Now, eggs. And chocolate.
Oh. Oh.
Let's love sign. Chocolate. Chocolate. You sign. Chocolate. Good. Chocolate.
I'm really good at making ice cream.
Hands up. Hands up.
Stop.
Ice cream.
No.
No.
It has to go in the fridge.
Oh. Oh. Tell me it's cold. It's cold.
Let's love sign. Cold. Cold. You sign. Cold. Good. Cold.
Oh, I can't wait to taste the ice cream.
Chocolate.
Thank you. Ava, you have chocolate ice cream. What color is chocolate? Brown.
We have no spoons.
Spoons? My third delivery. Wait here. Spoons.
Spoons are too big.
Don't worry. I know just what to do.
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Spoons. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you for all your help. Bye.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hands up.
Oh, I forgot a treat for Aisling. I'll stop on my way home. Oh. Hello, Kira.
Hello, Joe.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, what a mess.
Oh, Aisling will love this.
I don't think so.
Hands up. Hands up. Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy Joe. Our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign to say. Hands up. Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hands up. Hello, hello, Ozzy too. Deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign to show. Hands up. Thank you, Joe.
See you tomorrow. Bye. Ah, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. We have no deliveries today. We're gonna have an easy day. And I have just the thing.
Joe, where are you?
Oh, hello, Aisling.
What's that on the counter, Joe?
Nothing, it's just something I'm getting ready for a delivery.
Well, never mind that. I have an order for you to deliver. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
That's good, Joe. Today you're going to the farm. You will be delivering grass for the cows, bedding for the pigs, and food for the sheep. There are lots of animals to see at the farm, Joe. It will be a great day. And remember, wherever you go, there will be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe. My name is Joey.
Joey is waiting with Sarah the farmer. They will help you with your deliveries today.
Great.
off to the farm. Well, we made it to the farm. Now we have to look for the farmer who's going to help us.
Joe!
Joe.
Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Sarah, and this is Joey.
Hello, Joey.
Hi.
That sounds like my name.
Yeah.
We need to make our deliveries. Will you help us?
Yes!
Great, let's go. Oh, I forgot. What was on the list? Grass for the cows, food for the sheep, and a bed for the pigs. Let's go find the cows.
Let's love sign. Cow. Cow. You sign. Cow. Good. Cow.
Yes, you're a lovely cow, and I have a delivery for you. Some grass. You want more? Wait here.
Ozzy, we need more grass. This is perfect, Ozzy. I'll get the cows.
More grass. Happy cows.
Hello, piggy.
Let's love sign. Pig. Pig. You sign. Pig. Good. Pig.
My next delivery is for you. What do you mean, no? It's a new bed. It's very comfortable. I'll show you. See?
Is Joe asleep?
what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. You did the magic.
Good job. Good job, Joey.
This is a much better bed.
Piggy. Good.
Hello.
There are so many lovely animals at the farm. I like it here. But I still have more deliveries to make. What's left to deliver?
Hands up. Hands up.
Ah, yes. Food for the sheep.
Let's love sign. Sheep. Sheep. You sign. Sheep. Good. Sheep.
Come here, Martin the sheep. We have some food for you. Bananas.
Banana.
You don't eat bananas? Oh, I love bananas. Oh.
Dizzy.
I prefer bananas. Well, we've had a great day, but now we have to go to make more Dizzy Dazzy deliveries. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Joe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Hello, Aisling.
Joe, we have more deliveries for you to make. Come back to the depot. Goodbye.
Hands up. Hands up. Hello, hello. Here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello. Ozzy too. Our deliveries to you. Let's make a sign. A
You
sign
sign.
to say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Hello, hello. Here is Joe. Hello, hello.
Where?
Ozzy too. Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. look, I have lunch for Ashley.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Is that my lunch?
Yes. I'm sorry. I'll go back to the pizzeria and get you another one.
Great, because I have some deliveries for you to do at the pizzeria.
Good.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering tomatoes, cheese, and a box.
Okay, and I can get you the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
I don't.
Hazel and Chef JP are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Great, let's go.
Hands up. Hands up.
Hello, Connor. Oh, you sit down and I'll bring you a coffee.
Oh, thank you, Joe.
Okay. I'm a very good barista.
That's not good.
Yes, it. Oh! It's time to go. Enjoy. Oh, hello. I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm JP.
Ah, and you must be Hazel.
Today, we're going to make the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
I love making pizza.
Let's love sign. Pizza. Pizza. You sign. Pizza. Good. Pizza.
I love making pizza.
But first, you have a delivery from me.
I have a delivery for you?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. I remember.
I need to make tomato sauce.
I've got lots of tomatoes. Wait here. Oh.
tomatoes.
Now we need to make the sauce.
Let's love sign. Sauce. Sauce. You sign. Sauce. Good. Sauce.
What's Joe doing?
Thank you.
Is that the pizza? But it's a ball.
It's not ready.
What do we do?
We have to roll the ball.
Wow.
Now, can we cook the pizza?
No.
Aww.
Let's love sign. Cook. Cook. You sign. Cook. Good. Cook.
That pizza is not the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
We need vegetables and cheese.
Cheese! My next delivery. Wait here! Oh! Cheese.
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 That's not the right cheese.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Dee.
Put it in the middle. Here, you get your cheese. Do you like that? What's the cheese taste like? What happened to my pizza? Now we have to cook the pizza.
Tot,
Dad.
we need a box for the pizza.
Dad.
My last delivery. This is for Aisling.
that box.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Did you get my pizza?
I have the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
Thank you, Joe.
Bye. Well, it's time to go. Thank you for all your help. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Hazel.
Hands up.
Let's go.
Hands up.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy too. Our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign.
You sign.
Sign to say, hands up. Dizzy, Dizzy, Dizzy. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello, Ozzy too. Deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Okay, thank you for calling Dizzy Deliveries. Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Beans, the musical fruit. The more you eat, the more you...
Hello, Joe. It's Siobhan McSweeney.
Ah, hello, Siobhan McSweeney.
Joe, I'm calling about my tea order. I ordered a big box of Irish tea. The tea here is not the same in London. Do you know when it will be delivered?
Let me check the Dizzy system. Wait. Ah, yes. Tea to London to Siobhan. That will be with you on Tuesday.
Brilliant stuff. Thank you, Joe. Bye-bye.
On Tuesday. Maybe not next Tuesday, but it'll definitely be on a Tuesday.
Hello, Joe. It's delivery time.
I love deliveries.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering coffee beans, a frother, and carrot cake to the cafe.
Great.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you. Nathan and John are waiting for you, and they will help you with your deliveries.
Let's go.
Hands up. Hands up.
hello.
Hey, Joe.
Hello.
I'm looking for Nathan and John.
They're inside.
Ah, thank you. Oh, nice hat.
Thank you.
Ah, hello everyone. I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm Nathan.
Hello, my name is John.
And I have some deliveries for you.
We need coffee beans today.
Coffee beans?
We need coffee.
My first delivery. Wait here.
No.
No, no.
Coffee beans.
Thank you, Joe.
Coffee.
Let's love sign. Coffee. Coffee. You sign. Coffee. Good. Coffee.
Joe, we're going to be very busy today.
I can help.
Hey, I can help too.
No, I'm not sure. You're taking the order. Joe.
Sorry.
I made the coffees now, and they will help with the milk.
What can I do to help?
You can take the orders today.
Good.
He's silly.
Yeah, he's very silly. Look at the mess we
Yeah,
have to clean
look.
up after his mess.
Hello, can I have your order, please?
A cappuccino.
A cabbage coffee. Oh, hello, can I have your order, please? A decat. No problem, we'll have one of them for you.
Let's clean up now.
Yeah. Joe make a mess.
Yeah, Joe makes very messy.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hello. I've been waiting for you.
Why, do I know you?
No, I don't think so. I just want to order a coffee.
Oh, yes. What would you like?
An Americano, please.
Cork Acano.
And I will have a slice of drizzle cake. Excuse me, I will have... Excuse me, I will have a slice... I never...
I've been very busy. A cabbage coffee, Corkano.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
We have to serve real coffee today.
No, I'll make them. I'll get over. I'll come over and I'll make them.
No,
I'll make them.
Joe, listen to me. These will take the orders. You help me with the milk.
Okay. Good luck out there. Okay, John, how can I help?
Joe, today we're gonna froth some milk. We get the jug with the milk, then we put it in. And that is your frothy milk. You pour in the milk like this.
You pour the milk?
Let's love sign. Pour. Pour. You sign. Pour. Good. Pour.
Joe, I'm taking the order straight. Nathan, will you froth the milk, please?
Yes.
Be careful.
Okay.
Hello, kind sir.
Hello, sir. I would like a cappuccino, please.
What did you want to order?
Could I just get a latte, please?
A
Thank you.
latte.
Thank you.
all these coffees and we only have one frother.
Joe,
Joe,
relax.
relax.
Oh, excuse me, John. Oh.
What the?
Frother! Can we make coffee now?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
The holder here to grind the beans. Then you put it in tightly, and then coffee here will pour out. And you
I
put
will.
it hot.
Hot.
Joe, people can drink the coffee now.
Great.
Drink the coffee.
Let's love sign. Drink. Drink. You sign. Drink. Good. Drink.
Go to this table first.
Good. That's also in milk.
Have a nice day and thank you for coming to the cafe.
Bye.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go.
Come here. Come here.
That's a great idea. Will you help me with one more delivery?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Bye, John. Thank you.
Bye, Joe.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Nathan was bringing me to the school to meet his friends.
Oh, hello, everybody. I'm with my friend Nathan, and he asked me to give you a special delivery. Gonna get some carrots. We're gonna make these carrots into a cake by using magic. Are you ready? Watch. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Cake? Take one cake each. You take that one for you. It's for you.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you, Nathan. Thank you, everybody.
Bye.